I didn't know, my name is Taeyong and welcome back to my channel. So we are back with Kingdom Week. So we're doing the dance line. I'm going to do Mayfly and then the other team, I still don't know the name. But I've already seen Mayfly, so yeah, again, it's been months since I've seen that. But I know the members now. Excuse me. So if you guys haven't seen my intro, go look at my intro, come back. We're going to get into it. Make sure like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your biases. You're going to go with Mayfly and then we're going to go to the other team. All right, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go. Recording? Okay. So I remember it was like I just remember, it's like, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen, if you guys like watch a lot of edits, you've seen like the, you've seen the meme of like Son, you know, who was getting it, you know what I mean? He was getting it. But that's always Son. Son is a crazy psychopath who we love very much. Okay, yeah. So I remember, I remember it was Felix, Felix, from Stray Kids, it's just Felix, iKon, Lino. Then it's babies from, it's 4 babies from AT. So, you know, Yosang, Son. So many things are in my head, and I'm missing other members of other, y'all, it's been a minute. I've had a very emotional day, guys. If you haven't seen it, go watch my other videos and watch. I had a very emotional day, guys. First of all, Felix want to get punched. Boy. Right. I'm very proud of iKon, how far he's come. Let's go, you know! Oh yeah, of course, William. Let's go. First of all, and of course my baby song box. But come on, I don't try to be that person. But yeah, that's how many members of ATs was up in here in this dance line, getting it, right? But no, your song needed more attention, cause when he just did that, look at my baby's E. Son, let's go. I love him. That's my man. And then yep. And then my baby, he wasn't here. I forgot why. Was it injury? It was something. I know he wasn't in some of the stuff. But I'm pretty sure would have been in vocal line for sure. But yeah, because I remember seeing a clip of Pinnell saying that it's been like a while since he learned like choreo like that. So he was like really nervous or something. Yo, he ate your heart. Like he ate your heart. That's a hard move. Yeah, Son. Always do it. Look at him. It's front and center. Period. Let's go. Let's go. What song is this, y'all? Look at him, look at him. Yo, he ate with that Oreo hair. He was coming for everybody. Let's go. Let's go. I just realized they're about the same height. That's crazy. Sign. Look at him! Look at him! I can't stand. Y'all, this is where I, yeah. Kingdom is where I just fell for BTB. Homie is dragging out with chains. That's crazy. He threw it to somebody? He threw it? Yo, their reactions are hilarious. Look at baby bread. Yes, son. I love that cute duo. Your song and iKon should. Your song, I love you. Oh yeah. First of all, Sangwa. Relax, baby. But this is where Chan gets worried for Felix, and it was hilarious. Your song ate this outfit. Just know that. I know you've seen that edit. That was a hot edit. Okay, y'all. I love this edit as well. I've seen a lot of this in edits, y'all. I want Felix and San to do a duet together. It's San, y'all. I'm sorry. Excuse him. He be doing the most. No reason. He be doing the most for no reason. Little chair like, Felix? Sit down, enjoy the show. Chan. First off, I was too early. I see that. But did y'all see Chan? Christopher be in it. That's right. Christopher be like, no. Hold on. How is that not a meme? Girl is shocked for her life. Y'all are stunned by his beauty. I understand that. But don't give her no attention because he be doing too much. Goodness gracious. Whose song is this? No. Yo. Homie was worried. Yo, I would snatch my wig off. That is hilarious. Like, Chan, like, will you really think he in danger? Like, Felix? Like, he can hear you. Felix? That is hilarious. Yo, I'm hot. That is so funny. Hold on. Felix? Aussie bros for life. Yeah, y'all seen this meme. Sign, relax, homie. You're doing too much, buddy. Oh, I love them. Whew. Look at all the babies. Adorbs. Oh. Yo. Look at baby bread. You know? Come on, Felix. He looks like a werewolf. Like, he literally has the eyes and everything for the werewolf. Oh, yeah, I forgot, y'all. We was going to the next one. Okay. Yeah, I haven't seen that in so long, y'all. That's crazy. That's crazy. So much happened in that freaking video. We're going to the next one. I, like, forgot. Y'all lost time. What? Girl, we got 8 minutes. Y'all better stick around, because I didn't know it was going to be that long. Alright, everybody. Alright, relax. Dang it. It's a lot. I forgot. I'm switching groups. Oh, beautiful. Goodness gracious. Did Felix just twitch? Baby, what's wrong? Okay, what is this? What is this? I don't know. It's in Korean. It says on my way. Here he go with the long hair that he doing something. Relax. It's okay. He ain't that cute. You seen him going a little crazy. Yeah, okay. You doing it, I guess. No. Relax. He think he, ooh. It's over. Ooh, because he got the little ponytail. You know, when they get ponytails, they want to act out. Alright. La. Is that Taeyong? Okay. Oh, he about to get it. And then I think the other one from iKon. Ooh. Ooh, who are you? Ooh. Let's go. Why Batman get a ponytail? He said he didn't need that ponytail. Look, look, look. You see that? Ooh. Look, look. It's Taeyong. It's Taeyong. I would have been scared. I don't do fire, y'all. Taeyong is so extra. I ain't even surprised he did that. This is gonna be interesting because I already know how Jiyoung and Taeyong, but iKon, man, very traditional. Like, I don't know. Show me. What? Huh? It's giving Mulan vibes. You know what I mean? It's giving Mulan. Like, this is very interesting. I'm liking this a lot. Come on, baby. Let's eat it. Show them who you are. Let's go. Ooh, I like this combo. Okay. I'm recording. I gotta make sure I'm recording, y'all, because I'm... Yeah. Yeah. Eat it, please. The music... You heard that intense music in... Yeah. Who got crazy? Come on, Taeyong. Eat it, please, because I need them to see SF9 is like to be played with. Let's go. You saw that. Yeah, let's go. Y'all saw that. I ain't surprised, because he extra like that. He extra like that. See, I would have dropped it. But he was like, I'm going to catch it and show y'all what's up. Let's go. With a sword. He got a whole sword and he eating. Crazy. Yo, he still got that ponytail. What happened, y'all? Replay. See, he extra too, because I would have let it flop. You know what I mean? But he let it flip. He was like, flip. I would have let it flip flop. But he was like, flip. Crazy. And he did it with a smirk. Crazy. Did you see it? Y'all can't even replay. I can replay. Y'all can't even replay. He flipped it over on y'all like it was nothing. You gonna replay it? That's it. Let's go. Flip. Like it was nothing. Flip. First of all, what you about to do? Let's go. I want to see what you about. Okay. First of all, his visuals are insane. He's crazy. He's insane. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. So y'all like the smirk. I see. Why everybody got quiet? What? These two were so different, y'all. These, wow. Maybe I'm just not a good decider, but there's no way I could pick any type of winners of anything. They're just so different, and they're so... Wow. This is beautiful. They're doing... I feel sad. They changed the tone of y'all like it's nothing, but they literally just put us on like an emotional roller coaster is what they did. What happened, baby? Was it a flower? Did the flower disappear? I don't know the story. Oh. Nobody knows what's going on. So is that just me? Broken glass? They broke the glass? Y'all ain't even breathing hard. Hold on. Y'all not breathing hard enough for me. I would have been How you not breathing? Because I feel like you wasn't breathing at all. So, what is wrong with them? What is happening? I thought it was just 4th gen crazy. Well, he is 4th gen, but still. That was a little... Why wasn't you breathing? Throw it away. Because I'm confused by this whole thing. Those were so different, though. And I understand, like, before y'all come from me, like, at the end of the day, it's my opinion, right? But, and I guess it's kind of like a dance competition, right? Not everyone's going to do the same genre. However, I think there is, like, it's like contemporary, girl, I don't know. But I just feel like those were so completely different performances. It's like, how in the world? It was getting late. But yeah. Those are so different. That was so different. And I feel like members are missing because Juho was in the rap. He wasn't in the vocal. He wasn't in it. So where was Juho? Where was Rowoon? I know Rowoon got injured for one of the performances. I don't know, y'all. This is crazy. Wow. Okay, y'all. I don't even know if I'm getting to off the performances because I don't even know. Wow. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.